All right, thank you very much for joining us again. And this is the demonstration for the Hiden Kaisekiki Inroumaru. And now this part 2, we'd like to do the, we'd like to demonstrate what kind of the sounds we can activate from the each different, hidden discs that comes with the origami and then other things. So here we go. Here's again, Kaiseki Inroumaru over here, and we have number of the several. I just gathered all the different kinds of the disc over here. So let me introduce you. We got the Kyoryu disc, so we're gonna try this one first, and next one is the Kajiki disc. Let's try this one too, and Kabuto origami disc. And Tora origami disc. And this is the one that comes with the Shinkenger, and let's try this one too. And also Daikaio one. Okay, we can try this one. Oh yeah, I cannot forget this one. Okay, let's try that. All right, you guys ready? I'm gonna open it. The first one will be the Kyoryu disc. That's it? Okay, Kyoryu disc. All right, that's it. Okay, actually the transforming sound is the same. All right, so let's change this one. Next is Kajiki origami disc. Okay, where's that triangle? Here. Okay, guys ready? Listen. Kajiki disc. All right. So how about the transforming sound? Okay, actually the same, all right? I think it will go on like that, okay? So let's try the next one. And let's try Kabuto origami here. Kabuto disc. Let's try. Okay, the next one is Tora origami. Okay, so where's the triangle? Okay, here. Guys ready? Tora disc. Now, we have been seeing this one for a long time, seems like, since the first introduction of the Shinkenger, okay? So it's been around. And let's try this one too. Okay, it says the hidden shield disc. Shield disc. Okay. Let's try this one, Daikaio one. This will be the last one. Guys ready? Evi disc. It says Evi disc. All right. Okay. So, let's take a look at all the different discs. Okay, this is the one, the shield disc, and then I can see no plastic parts, just the small dots over here. But this one has, this Daikaio's one. Actually, Daikai's one also doesn't have any plastic parts over here. Well, it seems that we have small. Maybe this is something here, you know, small plastic parts over here. I can see that. And for the Tora origami, it's completely, packed, sealed, so I cannot tell. And this is the kabuto origami dance, and so far we see nothing. We just see that just two dots over here. So I don't know. Maybe something to do with that. And the kajiki disc, same thing. We see small plastic parts over here. And Kyoryu one. Well, Kyoryu one has the plastic parts over here, screwed one. And this is the Shinkenger's the number 15 disc. Has this one. And this is the TV magazine's promotional campaign gift. Has nothing over here. It's empty. How about this one? This is the one that comes with the Kyoryu origami, and it has the parts. So so far we can see that some differences, and these differences can activate those sounds, we believe. Well, not for sure at this moment, but okay. So this is the demonstration. The Kaiseki Inroumaru can activate the sound over 30 hidden discs. So if you are collecting the hidden discs, this will be a must item, because this will activate those sounds for this for the hidden disc. Okay. So I will finish this demonstrations, and then after this, we're going to combine the Inroumaru together with the Shinkenger and also a Kyoryu maru as well. All right. So stay tuned, and then I will be back with you. All right.